Hey everyone, Tony here, and I just wanted to share a little bit about my recent experience as an analog astronaut at the Mars Desert Research Station. Now, over the last couple of weeks, I lived in a simulated Mars habitat in the southern Utah desert with 7 other students and scientists conducting research for our own thesis and purposes, all focused on moving humanity forward to the moon and Mars. Now, I was the crew journalist, meaning I was responsible for capturing the entire mission on video, producing daily short video logs and other long-form videos like experiment spotlights and a full documentary, which I'm still working on. Now, I tell you this because I'll be splitting my time between here and there for the next couple weeks, but I will be posting some more in-depth videos on my experience here on this channel. But if you'd like to go and watch all the videos from that mission, check out the APUS Analog Research Group YouTube channel linked below. Now there you can really feel like you are part of the mission by hearing our daily wake-up songs, messages from our loved ones, and the insanely beautiful footage that we took that day. So thank you so much for all of those that supported my mission. I had an absolute blast, and I can't wait to share more about it here in the coming days and weeks. So I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.